Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. There's some people across the road from me. They're target practicing over there evidently. But I'm been up since about 6 this morning. I'm trying to burn a hole in this tree and where I can make it like a chimney, because I'm pretty sure the inside's hollow, so I got this side burning. I drilled some holes in there too to help with the burning process, so that's helping get close to the inside. I'm gonna get those people to shoot some holes in it for me. But I brought a bunch of these pine logs in. Somebody just dumped them outside the road, so I got them and brought them up here and got them to burn. And it's burning pretty good. And I started this early this morning. I've been doing other projects, and I'll come out here and tighten this fire up to keep it up against the tree as much as possible. And once I get to the inside of that tree, I'm hoping it will pull like a chimney. It should, and that way I can really get it to go ahead and break down. I had to take a break there for a second. The neighbor had come by on his motorcycle, and they own a horse farm pretty good ways behind me. So the dog Gracie that did the video on, Gracie's their dog, and she may be partly mine now after feeding her steak. But just more work to do here on the farm. Got to get back to my outside work. It's Friday today. I may be at the flea market tomorrow selling stuff. It's calling for 40% chance of rain Saturday, 90% Sunday. I'm thinking about going Saturday, but I'm up in the air about it, so we'll see. Just decisions to be made, and what if I go up there and it's a rain out, then I've got to drive all the way back. And so I'll decide that here in a little while and start getting everything ready if I do go. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.